In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your email on Vrbo. Whether you're updating your contact information for better organization or you've simply switched to a new email provider, changing your email on Vrbo is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and make sure your account details are up to date. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Vrbo account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click, and from the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This is your personal hub on Vrbo, where you can manage all your account details. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the left side where you'll find a variety of options. You're going to want to click on the Settings tab. This section is where you can adjust various preferences and account details, including your email address, which is what we're focusing on today. As you navigate through the settings, locate the section labeled Email Address. Here, you should see a pencil icon which represents the edit function. Clicking on this icon will allow you to make changes to your email address. It's important to note that Vrbo takes security very seriously, so you're about to encounter a security verification step. Due to Vrbo's current security protocols, you'll be sent a 6-digit one-time passcode or OTP to your existing email address. This is an extra layer of protection to ensure that it's truly you making the change and helps prevent unauthorized access to your account. Keep an eye on your inbox for this email, and if it doesn't appear right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you receive the code, return to Vrbo and enter the 6-digit passcode into the designated field. After you've successfully entered the OTP, you'll be able to proceed with typing in your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors, as this is the address Vrbo will use for all future communications. Finally, after you've entered your new email, click on the Update Email button. This confirms your changes and updates your account with the new information. It's a good idea to log out and then log back in using your new email address to ensure everything is functioning correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email on Vrbo. Keeping your contact information current is crucial for receiving important notifications and updates about your bookings and account. If you ever need to change your email again, just follow these steps for a quick and easy update. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Vrbo's customer support is always a great resource. Thanks for watching and happy traveling!